Hello, my candidate number is 0066190013 and this is my computer science IA. So upon opening this folder we go on product, library, dist, and we will be executing this jar file using this software. And the password is library. So it's login successful, and we go to this options form where there are 4 buttons. So there's book records, which we click on. Now in this form the user can enter new records, and the user will be able to delete them as well. So once we click on fetch, these are all the books that exist within the library, and the user can enter new books as well. So let's see, book ID 12, name. So upon clicking insert, this book will be entered in the database. And if we want to delete this book, we just need to click on the delete button down here. Yes. And if we want to go back to the options form, we just have to click on the home page. For borrowing a book, the user will click on the borrow button and she can fetch all the books that exist within the database. So if she wants to borrow, say Paradise, so 79, and we just enter these details. So and by clicking submit, the book will be issued. So let's go back to the home page, and for returning a book, the user will click on the return button, where when she clicks on fetch issue book record, all of these books that will appear are the books which have been borrowed. So if she wants to return this one, she will just select the book ID and simply click on the return button. Okay, alright. So once we click on refresh, that book has been returned. And for the reports, there are 3 options to choose from. That is generating borrowing report, return report, and a books available report. Once the user clicks on generate a borrowing report and generate report, so these are the books which have been borrowed, and the user also has an option of an advanced search. So she can filter her results through this advanced search options that I have added. So if she wants to use book IDs from 36 to 70. So within this range there exists only one book. She can do it through grade as well. So from grade 10 to 11. So from grade 10 to 11 there only exists one person who has borrowed a book. And then there's borrow date and return date option as well. If we go back on home page, reports, and generate return report, so these are the books which have been returned recently. And again there is the option of advanced search through book ID, grade, borrow date, return date. So if we use borrow date from 2017-118 to 2017 3. So there exists these many books which exist within this range, and the same thing goes for book ID. If we from, let's say, 36 to 100. So there exist these many books which exist within this range. Now if we go on books available report, and when we generate the report, these are the books which exist within the database. Now the user again has the option of filtering the results through book ID, book name, author date. So from book ID, if we do from 12 to 1000, there are only 3 books exists within the range of 12 to 1000, and this is my library software. Thank you.